Some write down the heading. Issue of shares at a premium. In this sum, I will show you a case of oversubscription. In this sum, I will show you a case of oversubscription. जो इश्यू शेयर कैपिटल जो होगा उससे ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब शेयर कैपिटल होगा. देखो A Limited issued 20,000 shares of rupees, 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. At a premium of rupees 2 per share. देखिए इशू शेयर कैपिटल कितना बोलो 20,000 shares. Face value of share is rupees 10 per share. The shares are issued at a premium of rupees 2 per share. So this is a case of issue of shares at a premium. The public subscribed for 24,000 shares. 24,000 shares. देखो इशू शेयर कैपिटल कितना 20,000, but public has subscribed for 24,000. So subscribed शेयर ज़्यादा होने से क्या हुआ ओवर सब्सक्रिप्शन. देखो it is a case of over subscription. The amount is payable as follows. The amount is payable as follows. On application rupees 5. On application rupees 5. On allotment rupees 5. Within bracket write down including premium. On application rupees 5. On allotment rupees 5. Within bracket write down including premium. And the balance on call. ভালো করে দেখে নাও. Face value of share is how much? Rupees 10. It is issued at a premium of rupees 2 per share. That 10 plus 2 12 rupees. On application rupees 5. On allotment rupees 5. 5 plus 5 10. तो balance amount कितना? Rupees 2. 12 minus 10 is equal to rupees 2. तो call money rupees 2. A shareholder, all monies were duly subscribed and paid up. All monies were duly paid up. All monies were duly paid up. Except a shareholder holding 1,000 shares. Failed to pay the call money. Pass the journal entry. For application, we have 3 journal entries. First, we have received application money of 24,000 shares, but we have only 20,000 shares. So we can transfer shares of 20,000 shares to share capital. The problem is silent about the excess application money. We'll refund the money to the shareholders. So we'll refund the application money of 4,000 shares to the shareholder. So regarding application, we have 3 journal entries. Regarding allotment, we have 2 journal entries, and regarding call, we have 2 journal entries. Total कितना 3 plus 2 plus 2 7 journal entries. So first journal entry, bank, we have received application money of 24,000 shares at the rate of rupees 5 each. So first journal entry, bank account debit to share application account. Bank account debit to share application account. share application account. कितना अमाउंट बोलो? 24,000 shares at the rate of rupees 5 each. 24,000 into 5 rupees 1,20,000. But we have only 20,000 shares. We have issued only 20,000 shares. So we can transfer the application money of 20,000 shares to share capital account. Next journal entry, share application account debit to share capital account, share application account debit to share capital account, share application account debit to share capital account. 20,000 into 5. 20,000 into 5. कितना बोलो? 1 lakh. 1 lakh. So we have extra receipt application money of 4,000 shares. We have to refund the money. So next journal entry, share application account debit to bank account, share application account debit to bank account, share application account debit to bank account. कितना होगा बोलो? 4,000 shares at the rate of rupees 5 each. 4,000 into 5 rupees 20,000. Rupees 20,000. Next, the shares are issued at a premium. Allotment money is rupees 5. Out of this, premium of rupees 2 is included. So amount will be transferred to capital. 5 minus 2 rupees 3. Next journal entry, share allotment account debit. Share allotment account debit. 20,000 into 5. Actually, we have issued 20,000 shares. So share allotment account debit 20,000 into 5. How much? Rupees 1 lakh. 2. Share capital account 20,000 into 3. 2 share capital account 20,000 into 3. 60,000. 20,000 into 3. 60,000. 2 securities premium reserve. 2 securities premium. 2 securities premium reserve. Credit ওটা ক্রেডিটে হবে। 2 securities 60,000 credit. 2 securities premium reserve. 2 securities premium reserve. 20,000 into 2 40,000. 20,000 into 2 40,000. No one has failed to pay the allotment money. Everyone has paid allotment money. So bank account debit to share allotment कितना होगा? 20,000 shares at the rate of rupees 5 each. Bank account debit. Bank account debit. 20,000 into 5. 1 lakh. Bank account debit to share allotment account. Bank account debit to share allotment account. 20,000 into 5. 20,000 into 5. How much? Rupees 1 lakh. So I have already discussed total issue price of shares. How much? 10 plus 2 12. On application we are getting rupees 5. On allotment we are getting rupees 5. 5 plus 5 10. So balance amount is 12 minus 10 rupees 2. So call money is due at the rate of rupees 2 each. Next, share call account debit. Share call account debit to share capital account. Share call account debit to share capital account. To share capital account. 20,000 into 2 rupees 40,000. Debit 20,000 into 2 40,000. Next, clear? Next, a shareholder holding 1,000 shares failed to pay the call money. So next entry, bank account debit. Bank account debit. 19,000 into 2. 19,000 into 2 38,000. Calls in arrear account debit. Calls in arrear account debit. 1,000 into 2. 2,000. 2 share call account. 2 share call account. 2 share call account. 20,000 into 2 40,000. 20,000 into 2 40,000. Clear? तो